For your on-demand manufacturing needs, the MakerVerse customer portal allows you to receive an instant quote for your part. First, from the customer portal dashboard, select Get Quote. Next, you upload your 3D part and 2D technical drawing files together in a batch upload, either by selecting all your files or all together in a zip file. Our AI tool will then be able to match the respective 2D technical drawing to its 3D part file for you. While we accept all file types in order to access our advanced AI tools, we have a list of suggested file types. Once your files are uploaded, you will get the chance to have an overview of your files. Here you can modify your file list or add more if you notice some are missing. Simply click Next to proceed. Our AI matching tool will then quickly match the corresponding 2D technical drawing to the proper 3D part file. You'll get the chance to verify all the matched files and make any adjustments as needed. In this case, we are good to go. Go ahead and click Get Instant Quote to see your part prices. Also do note that certain technologies such as CNC require standardized CAD file types, such as STEP or STP. And just like that, you have an extensive quote for your part that you can order right away.